What's up pilots, my name is Chechen and I will show you how to make a paper airplane.
This paper airplane is one of my best. It may not look special, but it is.
Before we start with the instructions, let's see how it flies.
Take a sheet of paper, set the video quality to high definition, and let's get started. If you are new to my channel, make sure to read the tips in the description. And also subscribe, because I upload a video like this on every Thursday. Turn your paper. Turn your paper again. Then push only the middle part upward and fold the sides on top of that. Keep in mind that both sides should look the same. Now this part might seem a little confusing, but it's not. From this point, you fold the paper upward. Try to not rip the paper. Push both sides together and turn your paper. And fold this piece on top of the other one. Look at this edge. That is where you fold the paper back. This also is much easier than it looks. Just insert these behind the middle. As you can see, this is not for beginners. Are you new to origami? Then get started with my easy level 1 paper airplanes. They also can be found in the description. If you made it right, it will look like this. Now mark this point. Mark this point too. Begin by carefully folding the end, and then bring it all the way to the starting point. Make sure that this line is parallel to this one. If you want me to make more paper airplanes, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. We are almost at the end, but there are still some things you have to know. Your paper plane should have this red highlighted form if you look at it from behind. The stabilizers should be in a 90-degree angle and parallel to one another. Notice the position of my thumb. That is how to hold it.